wondered, there are some instances where you consciously or unconsciously have a preconceived notion about something, and that preconceived notion determines your action. So here we would understand three terms: stereotype, prejudice, and discrimination. Let's understand what is the difference between the three. The first one is stereotype. I'll take the same example and move forward with all of these three. Now, stereotype is a general belief. Now, this belief can be positive, it can be negative, and it is regarding a section of society. For example, if I say children are good at playing. Now, this is a stereotype, this is a belief, a positive belief. On the other hand, I have another belief where I say old people are incompetent. Now, when I say old people are incompetent, this is a general statement about all old people, be it from any caste, be it from any nationality. So, that is a stereotype. Now, this stereotype converts into a prejudice. How this converts into a prejudice? Let's say I need to hire a person for my company. Now, when I am hiring a person for a company, I have a preconceived notion, which was my stereotype, that old person or old people are incompetent. Let's say a person walks in for an interview. Now, despite the fact that the person can be competent, I have a notion in mind, and that notion affects my attitude. So my attitude would be, oh no, I need not to hire this person because old men are incompetent. And as I have an attitude towards the old people that they are incompetent, and this person who has come in for the interview, who has walked in for the interview here, is incompetent, what I will do? I would immediately discriminate. So, in the discrimination, what would be the result? The result would be that I would not hire the person. So, my not hiring is what? It is an action. This action or this behavior was result of what? This behavior was result of the belief, which was the stereotype. This belief led to an attitude. Attitude was a prejudice, and this prejudice converted into a behavior. Behavior was what? The action. Now, this is what is discrimination. So, as a discrimination, what I did? Oh, this is an old person, I need not to interview. Even if I am interviewing, this is a formality. So, there is a discrimination because of my prejudice, I am pre-decided not to hire this person. So, a major difference between stereotypes, prejudice and discrimination. Stereotypes are beliefs. Those are about general population. Those can be positive or negative. Those stereotypes convert into prejudice. Prejudice are negative or harmful in nature, and they are attitude towards a group of people or an object or a specific person, and this leads to the action or the behavior, which is discrimination. Clear? So here we have understood three important components in psychology, very commonly used in gender psychology, social psychology, psychology of small groups, cognitive aspects. Very important topic. We would be covering many such important topics in psychology. For more reference, refer the links below. Wish you good luck.